Yo, what is up, guys? The Z's broken. This is the only thing that's holding it up. That one little jack. No, I'm fucking with you. Gotta replace the clutch. Oh, we got off the skid plate. It's cold as fuck though. My hands are cold. Sheesh. Look at the intercooler though. Sheesh. Gotta unattach the drive shaft. Just back there. But we gotta take off the exhaust first though. Sheesh. How dirty this motherfucker is though. Sheesh. Sheesh. Shouting out to Roberts for the drip. Alright, bro, we're about to get off the exhaust finally. I just want to put this as extra protection. So if it falls, I'm not gonna totally die. Day 60, we finally got the muffler off. Tomei coming soon. This video gets 500 likes. We're installing Tomei right now. All right, we finally got the other side of the exhaust done. Hit with the smoke. Don't fucking kill me. Oh yeah, there we go. So a little update, we got the exhaust out. Now we just have to get this out. And then we can start working on the components for the actual transmission. Bro, I'm really working on my fucking car and there's a fucking gas leak. Jeez. Bro, it's like, y'all want a gummy? Jeez. You feel me? We just got done for the night. Sheesh, good morning. We're back at it, you know. It's the next day. We still got this shit up in here. I want to clean it. Oh, fuck. I want to clean it. That's why it's in here. But we're going to go work on it. Go pull out the drive shaft. And then probably even pull out the trans today. Oh, good morning. You know, we got the coffee. We get the bang. We get the water. We got the whip. We got peanuts. We get the phone. We get the exhaust. Sheesh, man, the Monte Carlo, say what's up. I had to buy these. This shit was like $30, bro. I'm taking these holes back right after I install this shit again. Alright, I finally got them loose. I just gotta move it. And then last one I did with the handbrake one, I'm gonna try to do it without it. Like this. There we go. God dang. So just to break it. Did I get it? What the fuck? Oh yeah, I got it. Yo, watch this shit, bro. That's why they call me T-Brat. Alright, we finna pull this hole out. Yeah. Okay. The rest, I gotta get a new angle. Oh my god. Okay, we got it. Holy fuck. Damn, this motherfucker. Oh yeah. See my pain now. Alright, we got it off. I like to put the screws back in where they were so I don't forget where I put them. It's over there, just chilling. We're about to work on the transmission now. Finally get those parts off and then just see what's up. So I'll update y'all. A little snack break, you feel me? But we're gonna take off the shift knob. And yeah, so. Alright, yo, what's up? We just got done taking out the shift knob. You just gotta take out the boot, both boots. There's these screws and there's also these screws, but it's not too hard for it. There's a little bit of, the one thing I'm like worried about is the screws inside the engine bay, or not inside, but like deep in the engine bay to get the transmission out. I think that's the main screws I'm worried about because I don't know if I can reach it. Got some fat hands, but yeah, we're gonna try it and see what's up. Little snack break.
So far I got, there's a little exhaust I was lining up right there, got that off. And then just electronics I'm working on right now. I still gotta do this. This is gonna be kind of hard to get to. I don't have any pliers or anything that's like this skinny, so let's see what's up with that. We'll meet a burnout for the vid.
Burnout for the vid. Hold on, pause.
Yeah, he drives a 5.0, but he doesn't even do burnouts, bro. Yeah, guys, I'm buying this from him. How many miles it got?
2.
2 miles. How much money you want for it?
$10.
$10. All right, got you.
And a pack of cigarettes.
All right.
And a used toothpick. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Say hi to YouTube.
Please let it pop. Let it pop.
Texas edition. No.
Yeah, guys, it's not even cold out here. That's just a blown head gasket. No. I'll definitely gap that nigga. Just wait until I can put the new clutch in. Jeez. Alright, little update. Alright, little update for you fellas. Bro, for like 10 minutes straight, bro, I was trying to get these bolts off. Hard as fuck. I don't got no breaker bar, so you know I'm balking, so it's all good. But yeah, so we got those 2 bolts loosened, bolt up there loosened. Hold on, me hook y'all up with the flashlight. A bolt up there loosened. We're just gonna look around, get all the wires off of it, and then get up in the engine bay part, get that done, and then we should probably be able to pull it out for reals. Taking this off. I wanted to take this off, but I just need better angling. But it's leaking right there though. You guys can see that. Alright, update. I got something in my eye, but that's besides the point. Alright, so I got these cords off, so that's gonna be on this side. Then we got these cords, which is the sensors. These 2 sensors. Just put the sensors or the plug up there for the sensors, and then just moved it over, so it should be out of the way. That helps me out a lot. Alright, what is up? We got more progress. I got more screws done, but we have to get 2 more screws from the engine bay, I believe. Only 2 more screws because I got the other ones from down here. So from there, all I do is take that off. But I was gonna get a transmission jack and then also probably buy a breaker bar because I need a breaker bar for the engine bay because I can't reach it with the ratchets I got. Oh, she's still looking clean though. Keep the engine bay shoes, the turbo shoes. Alright boys, I had to get a torque wrench. I had to get a breaker bar. I couldn't get a transmission jack, so we're just gonna fucking YOLO. Just fucking let it drop on me, fuck it. Bro, another fucking $30 for this shit. I don't even got the right bolt neither. I don't even know what size it is. Jeez. Can't see shit. Oh, fuck. Righty tighty lift. Wait, which way does the bar have to go? I forgot. This one came from the top T-Brat. Damn, look at this screw. Come on, that one. Alright boys, so there's this last wire I gotta get. Just like hella deep in there, but apparently you can do it. Alright, so it's now time. There's some more screws I gotta get. I was working on it yesterday, but it was nighttime, and I was like, nah, I'm going to sleep. So I was tired. And there's this one bolt, that one down there, bro. That shit is like in there, bro. We'll forget about this, but this goes right there. I don't even know if I had to take this shit off for reals, but I'm gonna just take it off. Fuck it. Should be a 14. 14. Remember that. Screw this. Alright, so for the sake, I'm gonna forget where this goes, but honestly, I think, hold on. I'm gonna Take that out. Take this out. You can check this. And if it's like dirty like this, bro, you know you need a new clutch. I'm gonna put this bolt back. This is a 10, I believe. Oh, yeah. And there's another plate. Let me try to take it. Holy shit! This thing is filled, bro. I honestly almost missed this bolt right here. It's the angle that I'm at, but I believe that's a 14. It's not a 14. Where's my 14 at? I lost the 14. Oh, damn. Hold on. Got him. Thanks. So scared. What's up?
I said, what happened to the Z?
Clutch? Yeah. How you doing?
I'm doing good, how are you?
I'm doing alright.
Yeah, damn. Oh my god.
Alright, little update. The tranny's actually out. Fully, we're just gonna jack it down slowly and then so it doesn't die. Love you. Got the brake cleaner. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Got a nice ride. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at all that grease. Damn. Put it off when I put it on. There we go. Bitch, I don't know how to.
Shit says low battery.
So we took that once, but you gotta redo it, and then so I'm gonna unloosen it, put some thread locker on it, and then we should be good with the flywheel. This is gonna take so long. Holy shit!
All right, boys. That's the new jump. This is the new clutch. We got the old clutch right here. I kind of showed it already. Missed the old flywheel. Sheesh. Got this shit set up, bruh.
You feel me? We back at it. We got the rain. We're gonna go deal with this shit.
Out here with my nigga Bratten. BRATTEN 11. Just put out the goddamn. The
Yeah, I know. We
tranny.
put out the show. Hey, turn on the light at the top.
The light? The light?
There's a flashlight at the top. Turn it on.
Jeez. Look at the fan. Fucked up the damn clutch, but it's all good.
This is my 60th day in.
60th day in.
Yeah. Damn. Oh yeah, that's way better. Can you rev it? Stay with the ship knob.
Like 500 right now.
You got a flame map?
Not pop.
Yeah. There you go. Yeesh. Flame map coming soon. cameraman, what the fuck are you doing? See this shit? There's gonna be a lot of dust in there. Let me know when you want to take a break.
You're good.
Ready? Yeah, you ready?
Yep.
Sure, we can probably just lift it up.
Thank you.
Do you think?
I'm gonna grab it from the bottom then.
I bet.
Yep.
Got it. I bet.
Can we slide it?
Hold up, I can just. Good enough. Look at my phone.
Like, yo, I'm not transitioning your truck by the way. And I let my shit start, and then she said, wow, bow, and I was like, oh shit, like I had so much extra gas in my shit, bro.
God damn, that shit like popped.
Yeah, that shit, dude, it let out a fucking gunshot, bro. Holy fuck.
Holy fuck.
Where's your clutch at?
Right here.
Yeah, I know.
Like that. God damn. Yeah, shit.
It's blue. Drop it on the ground, just like, I want to see if it'll break like mine did. Just like drop it flat.
Like fly like this?
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh fuck. Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah. Oh fuck. Damn, that bitch was. Fuck, I was expecting that shit. Fuck.
Stand worthy.
Damn, we got the clutch. Shit's fucked up. All kinds of fucked up. Flywheel. Again, all kinds of fucked up. What's up, bro? Update. We got the tranny on, kinda. I'm still trying to line this shit up, bro. I've been putting right in this shit. All right. And this shit loud as fuck. God damn. Back to work. All right, bro. This is like a temp like 79. I'm trying to move it out. There we go. Bro, this shit is so dumb, bro. And these fucking sensors are in the way. I try to move them multiple times. They keep coming back.
First start, I hope it doesn't blow.
Damn, I'm gonna need a jump. This bitch dead as fuck.
Let's go. The gas. Fuck.
Bro, we been working that shit all day. I look like I've been in the coal mines with it, you feel me? But fortunately, we made a mistake. I believe the flywheel wasn't on right or something. It wasn't starting, so I just took it all apart and put it back together. Thanks for watching though. Hit that sub button. Can you hit the record button? Is it still recording? Is it still blinking red?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, hit the record button.
27 minutes, goddamn.
Did you hit it?